Hello everybody and welcome to this video tutorial. It's been quite a while since I did something like this, but I hope with this I'm able to make amends. My name is Kalechi Okorie and I'm a Canvassador and also a Canva expert here to make people's life easy with Canva. So recently shared um, an animation video on my socials and I want to show you how I was able to achieve that. But first of all, let me play it so you can see. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Now I want to show you how you can do that. But I'm going to be using one of the slides as a case study. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So this is it. This is the page. Now there's something I want you to note, especially when it comes to animations in Canva. Now, if the easiest way you can animate is just to click on the background and then click on animate and select one of these options. Now, any option that you select here is going to affect every single element in that design. It's going to affect the text, it's going to affect the image, it's going to affect the graphics and logo. So if you want to create something fast and without taking much of your time, this is the option that works best for you. It's not even going to take a minute or 2 minutes and you would be done with it. So, but me, I didn't do it that way. I'm going to show you how I did mine. Another thing I want you to note is if the background is already, if the background has something there, let's say an image, let's say this image, if we have this image at the back, even if you reduce the transparency, if you want to animate, now it's covered. If you want to animate, the animation will only appear, it will only appear on the image. Okay, it's going to appear on the image. It's not going to affect this, it's not going to affect this, it's not going to affect this. Okay, so you do not want that. You want to take away the image completely. So there's something I noticed here. I left it there for a reason. I want to show you. Okay, yeah, we are all good. So what I just did now was, because I copied this from this page and we already have the animations on each of these objects. So since I copied it and pasted it here, the animation still followed. Okay, I removed it from this and the rest, but left it here so I could show you that even if you copy it from a design to another design and the animations were still there, it's still going to reflect on the other page. So you have to remove, if you want to do something new, you have to click on it and remove the previous animations so you can use the new one. Now moving on, I told you that if the background is occupied, it will be difficult for you to apply animations for the whole page. So I just showed you what to do. Now let's go into the main thing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply an animation, like I applied animations to every single one of them separately, individually. Okay, so for our logo, the animation I used for the logo was spray paint. Spray paint is right here. And one thing you should know is if you select maybe text, you're going to see new options that you can select from. If you click on the logo, there will also be new options that are going to be added to the existing animations in Canva. So that's one point you need to note. So that's also why I decided to apply the animations on each and every one of them separately. Okay, so we're done with this with the logo. Now the next is this. Click on it. I group this and this together, so the animations is going to apply to both of them as one. Now go over to animate, and then I used pulse for that. You can see both are moving. Now let's go over to the image. For the image, the animation we used is succession. For the image, succession. So we were done with 1, 2, and 3. Now for Makita, as you can see, I just clicked on the text and these options just came out. So for Makita, I used clarify. Then for president, I used bounce. I also did the same to this at the bottom, clarify. And then for this, just for it not to be, yes, I use baseline. So we have animations on this, and this. So the last on our list would be animation for this element in the background. So for this, we used scrapbook. We use scrapbook, sorry. I'm going to use it again. So we have animations for every single one of them. The last thing I did was adding music, that sounds to it. Here's my sound. Where is my sound? So go over to Elements and just search for corporate. Go over to audio and then you can pick anyone. Let's play this. And play it. So that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. So you can now use this for the other slides, just replicate, and you're going to come out with an amazing animation video with Canva. So I hope you learned something new. I don't want this video to get to 10 minutes. Okay, I don't want it to be too long. So just try, attempt something with this, and then let me know if you have any questions. And let me also see the things that you're able to create with this video tutorial that I just shared. My name remains Kelechi Okorie, and see you in the next video.